Do you know why the ocean is so salty, while rivers and lakes aren't? Did someone pour a giant salt shaker into the sea, or is there a cooler scientific explanation behind it all? You need to know this. The ocean didn't start off salty. Initially, rainwater and river water, which flow over land, pick up minerals from rocks through a process called weathering. Rainwater, slightly acidic due to dissolved carbon dioxide, dissolves minerals from rocks. As this water travels in rivers, it carries sodium and chloride ions into the ocean. Think of it as a gradual delivery of seasoning to the sea over millions of years. So, why doesn't the salt just disappear? The answer is evaporation. When the sun heats the ocean, water evaporates, but the salt stays behind. Over time, this process concentrates the salt in the ocean. It's like a giant cooking pot where only the water evaporates, leaving all the salt behind. Even though rivers carry salt from the land, they remain fresh. The difference is that river water is continuously moving toward the ocean, so the salt doesn't have time to accumulate. Meanwhile, the ocean is a vast basin without a major outlet, allowing the salt to build up over time. And speaking of salt, there's one body of water that takes salinity to the extreme, the Dead Sea. Its salt concentration is so high that it makes you buoyant enough to float effortlessly. Imagine, while the average ocean is about 3.5% salt, the Dead Sea can have a salt concentration of nearly 34%. It's like soaking in a giant, natural salt bath. Now you know why the sea is so salty. It's not because someone dumped an enormous amount of salt into it, but rather the result of natural processes that have been at work for millions of years. What do you think about this fascinating fact? Have you ever experienced the ocean's salty taste firsthand? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, maybe we'll explore more intriguing ocean mysteries in our next video.